In this Invideo review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Invideo. Invideo is a software that allows you to convert text and all sorts of elements for your websites into videos. So it's an all-in-one video creator. And once you start, you're taken to this dashboard right here. As you can see, you have templates, text to video, stock media, and editor right here. So this is your main page where you can see anything you've created with Invideo. Your account is right here in the video. You got create new, your account is right there. And you can see the projects, your trash, team members, anything you want to add to the software, essentially. And you can learn as well, learn blogs, Instagram inspiration, tutorials, etc. So what we want to do, we want to just start off easy, and we want to create a text to video. And you can see right here all the options are granted below. Again, we can make the aspect ratio landscape, square, portrait, whichever we want, whichever fits us best. Now we see we have a list of options right here with different text styles. So this opens in sort of vignette one with the plane. This right here, it's got the bike, it's got the running woman, and the coffee right here. So let's say we want to use this car instead. So this car will be our template for our text that we're going to type up and everything we're going to use to make this video. So we click template, and now we're provided with this main page right here where the video will appear. And here we've got the script. So what are we going to type into the script? Let's type something easy and see what the software can provide for us. So we've got how to make money in 2022, quite a popular search. So let's see what it does with something as simple as this. So it's created this page right here for us. So see how to make money 2022. It's got it right here. And you have it right there, how to make money 2022 with that car image that we put up ourselves right there. You can edit the scene if you want to, you can duplicate the scene. Now, a more interesting one, and we're going to show just the power of this editing tool, this video creation tool. We're going to go through another one and see what it completely does. So we clicked on this coffee one. I'm going to use template. Now I'm going to type something interesting here, because remember it's coffee that it's showing. I'm going to type something in and we're going to see what it does with that. Software review. Software review, very simple, just 2 words, describes what we're trying to do. Create the scene, and you can add a URL here as well if you have a website or anything that's going to get your script onto it. So remember it was coffee, right? Now we have software review. And load the volume. This is what we get. It's created an actual software review video for us. Sure, it's put the text there for it to come up with a nice graphic, but it's transformed those coffee beans into a woman going through her phone and her laptop, ideally looking like she's operating in tech. Now, no video can show someone reviewing tech, that's quite a complicated one. But if you're trying to advertise a video for software review, that's a good one right there. And it completely created that. It did something the other one couldn't do. The other one was how to make money in 2022. It was a little bit complex, you had the nice car, which seemed good enough in general. But here, we went from coffee to tech and software, and it changed it right there easily, without any of my own input other than the title. So we have it here, and you can duplicate the scene, you can edit the scene, got the storyboard for it right there, and you can put it to your uploads, your videos, your images, your music, text, everything you can use to edit a video. You've even got voiceover here as well that you can add in if you want to. If you want to talk above the video as well, you can put your voice in and just record yourself speaking right through. So let's edit the scene. You can see right here, we got the actual video file right here. Again, they're layers. So we have the audio layer and we have the video layer right here. We can do what we can to edit them essentially. So I've just right clicked again, duplicate, edit, duration, show the layers naturally. You can trim if you want to. If you only wanted to show up to a certain part, you can completely trim it. And for cutting as well, again, if you want to cut something here, it's a little bit lacking in that feature, but what you can do, you can trim down a certain bit and then you can duplicate the product again. Then you can duplicate the project again and you go back to that scene you want to cut into. It's a little bit long-winded, but you can do it. You can find ways to work around editing this video. But in most cases, if it provides the video you wanted, you probably wouldn't want to edit it so heavily. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose of the software. It's creating videos for you. You're not the one who's trying to corral everything together if you don't have enough time for that. That's why this is very useful. Again, you have the audio here. You can mess with the audio if you want to, the volume. You can trim it again, you can loop it, duplicate it, you can look at the effects, you can fade in the audio, fade it out, and the panel control as well, if it's heard more from the left or heard more from the right ear. Got the help widget as well over there. Now you can go into the text again, and you can change this up again. It will change up the video, mind you, but you can change it up again, so it's not completely locked in there, unable to be edited or, constructed. So you got your logo as well. We don't have a logo technically, but you click the logo there and it will essentially take you to your desktop. We click random logo we got online, and right there it's shown. And look at that, the logo, we can crop it, we can fit it, adjust the colors, remove background, flip it, add some effects to it, or even mess with animation for it as well if we wanted to. So, whether it stays in its place, the kind, if it shifts, it slides, it blurs, we can make it slide from the left if we wanted to. So that'll be there for the full video when it's being played. That's just the logo. Go down to videos. If you're not satisfied with just this one video, you can add more videos right here that will link to whatever you've put. So if we find any more techie video footages, any more software-based things, we can drag them right here. And we can edit them the same way we can edit this one we have currently as well. Then we have images as well. So once again, like the videos, if you want to add a certain image, if you want to just put a sort of moving frozen background, just a moving background that's sort of keyframing in or keyframing out, but that's not necessarily a video, you can put that right here. Just get one of these, drag and drop, and it'll get into there essentially. Or you can just click to add as a layer if you wanted to, and it'll be here. Again, you have to be clever with it and put it, in a right place for your video. You can see it's underneath right here. And you can trim this video so only a certain part of the picture shows. And again, you can move the picture around if you want to. You can add that picture within the video if you want to make it, just stand out. Again, it's a bit of a tricky one to make a video with a picture within it. But if you wanted to do it, go ahead and you have the option right here. The music we have, again, you can choose any kind of music one. You can see it's got 2,000 angry songs, 5,000 serious, 7,000 playful ones. So it's got an entire library of songs that are available for your use right there and then. So you don't have to keep this happy, stocky one that we have right here. If you want to change up to something a bit more unique, a bit more colorful, you can right here. Look at this. Happy has over 10,000 features as well. So that's quite a lot of songs to utilize. Even got Epic as well, which would be a good one for myself. Here's the text features. Again, like I showed, you can take this text, put it in, and then edit its features. You can see it's animated as well. So you can get that in and mess with the animation and the font and italics and everything. Got your logo as well. Like we added the logo. You have the things you can do with that logo if you want to. Then we have elements as well. Right, elements, you can drag them in and make them fit the video if you want to. Then finally, you've got templates as well. So if you didn't like this template you've got, you can change it to a different one. Now, it'll be interesting because they have to fit your topic, as this change a template to fit your topic. But this one right here, you'll have to be careful with it, but you can change that template if you want to. Once you're done with everything, you can simply export it and download it for yourself so you can then use it for your website. Overall, I think Invideo is a great software to use. I'm really impressed with its text to video feature, as you can type something and it can find the right video template for you. I would say the actual editor leaves a little bit to be desired, but for what the software does overall, it's quite impressive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll provide a discounted link. Thank you for your time.